constructions. First, construction of perpendicular bisector of a line segment. For that, suppose the question is line segment AB is given. Okay. So the first question, line segment AB equal to 6 centimeter. Line segment AB 6 centimeter. What we need to construct? The perpendicular bisector of this line segment AB. Perpendicular bisector means what? Bisector means dividing the line segment into two equal parts. Perpendicular means at 90 degrees. So we need to construct the perpendicular bisector. For that, we are starting. Take the scale ruler and you have to select the distance 6 centimeter. Draw a line segment with the length 6 centimeter. Take correct 6 centimeter distance and also use a sharpened pencil. Okay. So we are constructing. Drawing. First step is what? Line segment AB with measure 6 centimeter. So this point A and this end point B. Now our next step is take your compass. Okay, use your compass. There also you have to fix the pencil, sharpened pencil very carefully, tighten it. And here I am using a sketch for the demonstration. Okay, so here just you select the compass. Radius you need to select just more than half of the length of AB. So at the metal tip at A we are keeping and take more than half, means approximate only, no need of taking measure. Approximate more than half AB we need to select. More than half of AB. So 3/4. Just we are selecting 3/4. Okay. So metal tip, first step, metal tip at A and draw two arcs on both sides of AB. Both sides means upper side and lower side. So just you draw arc like this and on the other side also you need to draw it. Okay. Now the next step is what? With the same radius. With the metal tip at B. Means with the center B, draw two arcs again. Just intersecting the other two other arcs in these 2 points. Can you understand? So first you draw AB. The next step with A as center, more than half radius, more than half AB radius. Just you draw two arcs on both sides. With the same radius at B also drawing two arcs on both sides. Now our next step is just you join these two intersecting points. So for that you name this point. This intersecting point you can name as P. Suppose the point is P and this point is Q. So actually we are joining the points P and Q. Correct measure we need to select. Okay. So just you join PQ. You can see this line PQ or line segment PQ we are getting. This line is the perpendicular bisector of AB. So here you can see one intersecting point. This PQ intersect AB at this point. Just you name this point as M. Now what we can say? M is the midpoint. What is that? M is the midpoint of AB. And also we can say that AM equal to BM. These two distances are equal. Okay. And also this angle PMB. This angle is 90 degree. The same way PMA. This angle also 90 degree. That is the line PQ is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Okay. Next, angle bisector of a given angle. Angle bisector means we are going to divide one angle into two equal parts. Okay. So, first one angle is given. So, just we are drawing one angle. Any measure. Just you are simply drawing one angle. Here it is. Suppose it is an acute angle. Okay. Now, we can name this angle ABC. Okay. This point A, vertex B, here it is C. So, angle ABC is ready. Now, we are going to construct the bisector of this angle. just we need a ray which is bisecting, dividing this angle into two equal parts. Okay, so the position may be here. How we can locate that? For that, the steps, just you select your compass. Take your compass and the metal tip at B, and any radius you can select, any convenient radius you are selecting. With the metal tip at B, draw an arc. Okay, any convenient radius, just you are drawing an arc like this. Clear? Now the two intersecting points you can see. Here this arc intersect this BC at this point, and here it is BA in this point. The 2 points we can name as X and Y. X and Y. Okay. Now, with these 2 points, X and Y as centers, with these two new points, X and Y as centers, and more than half XY radius. More than half XY means, you know, this arc length. More than half means approximate 3/4. Just you are selecting with X as center and more than half of XY radius. Just you are drawing an arc here. See that? With X as center, draw an arc. The same way with the same radius, with Y as center, draw another arc. With X as center and Y as center, you are drawing two arcs. The two arcs intersect at the point M. So this point you can name as M. Now our next step is just you join B and M. So we are joining B and M. So BM you are joining and extending to get this ray. So this ray BM bisects the given angle ABC. Means angle ABM. This angle is equal to angle MBC. Understand? So angle bisector is this ray BM. You know the construction now. With B as center, given ABC with B as center, with any radius draw an arc. Now you are getting 2 points X and Y. With X and Y as centers, draw 2 more arcs. You are getting the point M, join BM. Work is very simple. Next, third, construction of 60 degree. You need to construct an angle of measure 60 degree. For that, just you select a ray. Okay. So just you are drawing a ray. Here the ray is, suppose we can give the name PQ. PQ. So the starting end point here it is P and it is passing through the point Q. At P you need to construct the angle of 60 degree. So how we can do that? For that, just you select your compass. The vertex is P. Okay, just you need the vertex P. For that, just you select the point P as center and any convenient radius you can select. Any convenient radius, just you select with P as center, draw an arc. Just you draw one arc like this. Okay. Now, after that, this intersecting point you can see. Here it is the intersecting point. This arc intersect this ray PQ at this point. Suppose this point is X. Now the next step is with X as center and the same radius. Without changing the radius, with the X as center, draw another arc. Now you can see one more point you got. So the two arcs intersected at this point. This point is Y. The next step is just you join PY. Okay. Join PY. This ray, you are getting ray PY. This angle YPX, or we can say YPQ. This angle is having measure 60 degree. So what is the 60 degree construction? Given a ray PQ with this point P as center, with any radius draw an arc like this, you are getting the point X with X as center and the same radius draw one more arc. To intersect here it is Y. Now join PY. This angle will be 60 degree. Okay. Next, construction of 120 degree, 30 degree, etc. So first angle 120 degree. How we can construct 120 degree? For that, you know the construction of 60 degree measure. The same construction we can start. Okay. So just you select a ray. Select the ray. Here you can see ray PQ. Suppose the point P and here it is Q. Now you remember the construction of 60 degree with the P as center. What we will do with the P as center and any convenient radius, just you draw one arc. Okay. Just you draw the arc which is longer. One longer arc you have to draw because we need 120 degree. You know 120 degree is obtuse angle. Okay. So this point you got. The same point we can name it as X. Now with the X as center and the same radius, draw an arc. Now you know this angle is having measure. What is the measure of this angle? 60 degree. Okay, we need 120 degree. So from this new intersecting point, you need to select another arc. Can you understand? So first we are constructing 60 degree. One more 60 degree we are constructing. So this point, you can name this point as M. Now, just you join PM. P and this new intersecting point M. So what we are getting? This angle MPQ. This angle is having measure 120 degree. Can you understand this construction? Next angle measure 30 degree. So we need to construct 30 degree. For that also the same method we are starting with the construction of 60 degree. Okay. So here the ray, just we are selecting again ray. This ray we are selecting. This point P and here it is Q. Any name you can give, just I am selecting P and Q only. Now with P as center. Okay. So with the P as center and any convenient radius. P as center and any convenient radius, just you are drawing an arc. So you know this method, here the point is X. Same method. With the X as center, the same radius, draw one more arc. So you know this angle is 60 degree measure. Now we need what? 30 degree. 60 degree means just you select 30 degree is half of 60 degree. Okay, half of 60 degree. For that, just you select bisector of the 60 degree. Select the bisector of 60 degree. That is these two. Suppose this point is Y. Now the construction of angle bisector of the 60 degree. Now for that, with X as center and more than half of XY radius or any longer radius you can select, that will give you the answer. Okay, with the X as center, draw an arc, and with the same radius with the Y as center also drawing another arc. See, now we are getting this point. Here it is M. Now the next step is just you join PM. Okay. Now we can see that this angle is having measure 30 degree. So actually our construction is what? First we are constructing 60 degree and then bisecting that to get 30 degree, because our question is to construct 30 degree only. Construction of the same angle at another point. Now we are going to construct the given angle at some other point. So one angle is given. For that you can select one angle. Okay. So the angle, given angle is this angle is given. Okay. Suppose it is ABC. This angle ABC is given. We need to construct the same measure at some other point. So here it is. We can select another ray. Suppose it is XY. Here you can see the vertex B. This angle ABC we need to construct at this point X, means X as vertex, we need to construct the same measure here. For that, again you are taking your compass, and the first step is with the vertex B as center and any convenient radius, with the vertex B as center, any convenient radius, draw one arc. Okay, and with the same radius, with X as center, draw one arc like this. Clear? With B as center, draw an arc with the same radius. With X as center also, you are drawing another arc. Now the next step is very important. You can see here two intersecting points. These 2 points. Just you select the distance of the arc. Okay, or length of the arc we are selecting. You can see these two intersecting points, the length we are selecting in your compass. This distance we need to draw with this point, with this intersecting point. You can see one point here. With this point, you need to draw the arc. Understand? So the same arc length we are constructing here. Now this new point you need to join with the point X. See this. Now suppose this point is here we can select Z. Now angle ZXY. Angle ZXY. Here this angle will be same measure as ABC. Okay.